Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa. And if your kids are always demanding for something tasty for dinner or for a snack, then this is what you got to make. Mac and cheese, kids' favorite. So guys, it's very easy to make. Even your kids can help make this with you. And without any further delay, let's begin with our process and make this yummy mac and cheese. So guys, to make this super delicious macaroni and cheese, let's take a flat pan, and to this pan let's add 2 tablespoons of butter. And then we are going to move this butter around so as to grease the entire bottom of the pan. And once the butter is nicely melted, then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of all purpose flour, which is maida, and mix it along with the butter. And once it's nicely mixed, let's cook it for about a minute so as the rawness of the maida goes away. After 1 minute, or once the maida is cooked, it's time for us to add 1.5 cup of full fat milk. Now guys, I have added the milk which I had boiled and which was at room temperature. And now let's mix everything in. Make sure there are no lumps in here. If you see that there are lumps, you can always use a hand balloon whisk and whisk it till the time there are no lumps. And then it's time for us to add 1/8 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, which is coarsely grounded, followed by 1/8 teaspoon of jaifal, also called as nutmeg, and we are simply going to grate it and add it into the pan. And then we are going to add salt as per our taste. Now guys, remember that we are going to add salt when we are going to boil the macaroni pasta. Also, the cheese that we are going to add also has a lot of salt content in it. So just be very careful when you add the salt. And now let's mix everything together and let it boil for just about a minute or two, or till the time the milk starts to thicken. And once you see that the milk has started to thicken, I'm going to add about 8 slices of cheese in here. Now guys, you can add as much cheese or as little cheese as you wish. It's all up to you. But I feel that 8 slices is the perfect amount for this recipe. And now let's just mix it in till the time the cheese completely is melted and is nicely blending in with the milk. Also guys, make sure that the flame is on low while you're mixing in the cheese. I'm also going to tell you 1 or 2 tips as to know when your sauce is ready. So just take your spatula, run it through the sauce, and run your finger on that sauce on the spatula. If it separates and does not mix, that means your sauce is ready. The second way to know that your sauce is ready is when you run the spatula on the pan and you can see the bottom of the pan. That again tells that your sauce is ready. And see guys, the pouring consistency is not very watery, it is nice and thick, and that is when you know that your sauce is ready. So it's now time for us to boil our pasta. So let's take 1.5 cup of macaroni pasta, and then we are simply going to boil it as per the directions on the box. Make sure that you do not overcook the pasta. And then we are going to add the boiled pasta into the sauce and give it a good mix. And once nicely mixed in, we are going to let it cook for about a minute. Also guys, I'll give you a tip that once you boil the pasta, the water, the remaining stock that you have, just save a little bit of that water. Just in case if your sauce becomes too thick, you can add a little bit of that pasta stock water into the sauce. And oh my god, this is looking absolutely delicious. I absolutely cannot resist this. I'm simply adding it into my serving pan, and then we are going to decorate it by adding few mint leaves. And then I'm going to sprinkle some red chili flakes. That is totally optional. If you're making it for kids, then you can totally skip that step. And I absolutely can guarantee this is going to be the most yummiest mac and cheese that you have ever made. I absolutely cannot resist it. I am sure even you or your kids won't be able to resist it. So give it a try. Do let me know what you think about this pasta. Do write to me in the comment section, and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.